I foster kittens, and this is my go-to. This makes mealtime so much easier. This is the Sheba Perfect Portions kitten wet food, and it's designed specifically for kittens, not adult cats. And my favorite thing is that these perfect portion trays just snap on one side and you serve it, and there's no leftovers, no waste, no messy cans. It has a smooth paté texture, which is perfect for the kitten's small mouths and when they're transitioning to solid food. I also like that it's made with real chicken plus DHA for brain development, and it has protein and healthy fats for growth, and also vitamin E to support a healthy immune system. And as I'm sure you can hear, my kitten goes crazy for this. He comes running as soon as I open it. It's the smell, the texture, it's a win every time. It's 100% complete and balanced for kittens, so you can feel good knowing they're getting what they need during this important growth stage. So check it out, and your kitten will thank you, probably loudly.